Hello friends, subscribe to Jilla Hub and don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss my video updates.
Hello and namaste. Welcome back to my channel. This video is for those who wants to look global desi. Today I'm gonna show you how you can wear your regular chiffon or georgette sari with a legging. Yes, with a legging. Wear the leggings, blouse, jewelry and heels and start this simple drape. To complete the look, add a matching belt on it. Isn't it pretty and stylish? This drape is perfect for cocktail parties or your friend's wedding. Thanks for watching. See you soon.